Hey everyone, in today's lecture of HTML tutorial, we will discuss about paragraph tag and heading tag in HTML. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about some attributes of body tag and comment tag in HTML. So if you have not watched that particular lecture till now, then please watch the previous lectures of HTML tutorial so that you will understand in better way each and every concept of HTML. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. So this is our hello.html file, right? Here I had opened the paragraph tag which is called p tag, okay? And after writing the paragraph, I had closed the paragraph tag, okay? So paragraph tag is used to display the blocks of text, right? In a paragraph format in our web page. This is the use of paragraph tag, right? So let's save it and we will run the file. From here we will select our file, that is hello. Now run it. So now you can see in the web browser we have got our output, whatever paragraph I had written inside this paragraph tags, right? So by default it is aligned towards the left side of the web page. Okay, so if you want to change the alignment of your paragraph to the right side or to the center of the web page, then we have an attribute which we have discussed in the previous lecture, that is called align attribute, right? So this is the attribute name equals, under double quotes we will write the attribute value, that is right side. Okay, means our paragraph will be aligned to the right side of the web page. Save it, go to the web browser, refresh it. So now you can see it is aligned to the right side of the web page. Okay, now again we can change the alignment to center of the page. So just write center, save it, open browser, refresh it. So now you can see it is aligned in at the center of the page. Clear? So this was the basic overview of paragraph tag and its attribute, right? So let it be, it was as before. Save it, go to the web browser, refresh it. So you can see now it is in its initial position. By default it is aligned to the left of the page. Okay, so now we will discuss heading tag. Okay, so we will use the heading tag now, which is starting from h1. Okay, so as you can see we have h6, h1 to h6. Okay, means total 6 heading tags are there in HTML, right? The difference is only in the size of the heading. Okay, h1 heading will be of largest size, then as you start writing in h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, the size will go on decreasing. Okay, this is only the difference between the various headings tag. Okay, so let's use this heading tag. So as a heading we will write use of paragraph tag. Okay, now we will close our heading tag, forward slash for closing the tag, then tag name. Okay, now save it, go to the browser, refresh it. See, we have got our heading. Okay, so now we will use all the other heading tags. So just we will copy this one and we will paste it more 5 times. We can also use Ctrl V to paste shortcut key, right? 1 2 3 4 5, one more time, 6. Now we will just change the tags. Okay, this is heading 3, this is heading 4, this is heading 5, and this is the last heading, heading 6. Okay, now let's see what are the changes. Save it, refresh it. See, now you can see you have got all the headings which are in different sizes, right? So this is the use of heading tag, which are from H1 to H6 in HTML. Okay, so whatever type you need as a heading, as your heading for any particular topic in your web page, so you can use the heading tag from H1 to H6 as per your need or requirement. Okay, so this was the basic use of heading tag. Now we will discuss one more tag which is called BR tag, that is breakline tag, right? That we have discussed in earlier lecture. So suppose in our web page all the paragraphs are embedded together, right? Means there is no gap or space between the sentences. Okay, so suppose I want to start this sentence from the new line. Okay, I want this particular sentence to start from the new line, next line, another line. Okay, so we will use a BR tag here. We will put BR tag, BR tag. Let us put one more BR tag so we will get some more gap, right? So save it and refresh your browser. See, now you can see you have got a gap between these two paragraphs, right? So this is the use of breakline tag. It has break the line, see here, 2 times, right? So that we have got this much gap, and then we have started our new sentence in today's lecture, right? So this is the use of heading tag, paragraph tag, and breakline tag. I hope you have understood all the 3 tags properly, right? So you can practice it in your home also, right? By writing the codes and running it yourself. Okay, so it will be fun, right? If you start coding yourself, right? And you will get more confidence in HTML for preparing more attractive and more beautiful web pages by using many various tags and attributes, because HTML provides us with many tags and various attributes, okay, to add extra functionality to our web page. Okay, so stay tuned to my channel and please watch all the tutorials from the starting lecture, okay, so that you will get all the basic and core concepts of HTML, right? Then you can start your coding yourself in HTML. Okay, so subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates of the coming videos and lectures in HTML tutorial and other programming languages. Okay, so share and like and comment. Thank you.